getting a loan using loyalty card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get a loan using loyalty card. So before we begin, let's talk about what is loyalty card. Loyalty card is a card that provided by businesses with which you can earn rewards and coins that you can redeem in order to get some stuff. So how can you use that to get a loan? So first of all, you need to know that which company's loyalty card you have. So after that, you have to apply the loan to that specific app or specific company. So you will need to fill a loyalty application form. After that, as you guys can see, after filling the form, you will be able to put the ID of yourself. You can use the identity card or your license card as well, driving license. And the third thing is you need to put your loyalty cash card. After that, you need to put your selfie photo. These are the instructions that you need to follow in order to get a loan using your loyalty card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.